What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Trill. Back with a little snip video for all my PlayStation Sony guys. Where's my controller? Hold on, y'all. Oh, there it is. If you're trying to get PlayStation Plus and it's like giving you that error message. The problem is you gotta add your funds to your wallet. For some reason, it's not just going through with the I guess right through your debit card. So I've been dealing with this all weekend, so I just added money to my wallet and it worked. So my stuff is working now, but yeah, if y'all got that problem, go to settings, go to your user account, go to your account, go down to payments, payment and subscriptions, go down to add funds, and you add your funds right there, and then yep, you should be good to go. So yeah, that's all that was. So I don't know what PlayStation got going on, whatever. But that's the fix of getting your PlayStation Plus back active. Add your funds to your wallet.